you guys? My name is Dixon. This is lesson 3. We're going to learn about scales, and we are going to define what a scale is. Definition 1. Any set of musical notes ordered by fundamental, frequency or pitch. Any set of musical notes ordered by fundamental, frequency or pitch. The second definition is a succession of ascending and descending steps and degrees. A succession of ascending and descending steps and degrees. Types of scales. We have 1. Major, 2. Minor, and in minor we will have natural, harmonic and melodic. The third type of scale is pentatonic. There also we have major and minor. The fourth type of scale is blue scale. We have major and minor, and the last we're going to deal with is a whole tone. Now there are many scales, but we're going to focus with those, and later on maybe we are going to also learn other scales, exotic scales, which means very different, strange or unusual. Now the first scale, major scale. The first 3 months, I want you to concentrate with the major scale. Okay? Now, there are 12 major scales in music. So there's something I want you to understand as of now. Remember, in the 2 previous lessons, there's something that you should have understood. We said the black notes are 5 and the white notes are 7. If you combine 7 plus 5, that is 12 notes. Okay? So from now, there's something I want you to understand. We are going to learn everything in 12. Everything in 12. Okay? So what is the formation of a major scale? It is formed by whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step, or another name of a whole step is simply a tone. So there's somebody who can use a whole step, and there's somebody who can say a tone. Okay? There's somebody who can say half step, and another person can say semitone. All of them means the same thing. So when you are using tone, you can say tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Now, what is the abbreviation of a whole step? W. What is the abbreviation of half step? H. What is the abbreviation of a tone? T. What is the abbreviation of a semitone? ST. Okay? Now, let me make things easier for us. W, W. Those are 2 W, okay? Then you have H. And then you're going to have W, W, W. So those are 3 W and then a H. So 2 W's, H, 3 W's, H. Okay? Or when you're using tone, you can say T, T, 2 tones, then semitone, and then 3 tones, T, 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 and lastly semitone. We are going to use that formula to form several major scale, just as an illustration of examples. Okay, so the first one we're going to start maybe with the A and then A sharp. Just randomly we're going to pick them. So first of all, where is our A? Do you remember from the previous lesson we say in between the 3 black notes it's D. In between the 3 black notes we have G, A. And we said that you should start training yourself, something we call ear training. You should do it as early as now so that you can reduce the time that you will spend learning keyboard. Okay, so this is D, G, A, D, G, A. Okay, now this is A. This is the first note. So let's use tone. So from here we need a tone. Now there's something I had told you earlier on the previous lesson. Okay, there's something we discussed about semitone. What is semitone? Semitone is one step, moving one step, either to the right side or to the left side. So in this case we are just going to the right side. Okay, so this is A, and then we are having a semitone, and then from here to here this is a. Now when you are saying the distance, the interval, distance is the interval. Okay, let me rephrase it well. Interval is the distance between two notes. Okay, so what is the interval between A and B? Tone. Okay, what is the interval between B and C? Semitone. What is the interval between C and C sharp? It's a semitone. But what is the interval between A sharp and C? It is a tone, because you will move two steps. 1, 2. Okay, now let's form A major scale. This is A, move 2 steps. B is the second note. Move another tone. That is the third one. Move a semitone. Now we are going to have 3 tones. Okay, so that's the first one, that's the second one, the third one, and then semitone. So these are the notes. These are the notes of A major scale. So this is A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Okay, now I remember in the last lesson we said this is C sharp or D flat, but for the sake of time let's just refer to the black notes as sharp. Okay, but I know you know that it is also there is also a flat, but let's just use a sharp. Okay, it's easy to use sharp. So the notes are A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and then A. Now let's go to A sharp and find the major scale of A sharp. So this is the first note, is usually called root note. Okay, so this is the root note, A sharp. Now we are going to use the other term, whole step. So we are having 2 whole steps. So from A sharp we move 2 steps for us to have a whole step. 1, 2. That's the first whole step, and then we are moving 2 steps again to find the other whole step. 1, 2. We are moving a half step here, and then from here we're going to have 3 whole step. 1, 2, that's the first one. 1, 2, the second one. 1, 2, the third one. And then you're going to have a half step there. So these are the notes. Okay, so we are having A sharp, C, D, D sharp, F, G, A sharp. Let's go to another major scale. Let's say F sharp. This is F sharp. So let's use tone. We're going to have 2 tones, semitone, then 3 tones, and lastly 1 semitone. So this is F sharp. We move 2 steps. As the first tone, we move again 2 steps. This is another tone. Then we are having semitone here. Then we are having 3 tones. So from B, we have C sharp. Then we have D sharp. And we have F. And then lastly, we're having F sharp. So what are the notes in F sharp major? F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F, F sharp. Okay guys, let's do one more so that we can end from there. So let's do F. So this is F. So this is the root note F. We are having, we use the whole step. So F, we're having two whole steps. So F, G, A, then a half step. From here we are going to have 3 whole steps. C, D, E, then we are having a half step. So the notes are F, G, A sharp. This is what? C, D, E, F. Okay. Now we have come to the end of our lesson today. Now the next lesson we are going to do all the 12 major scale. But before I go, I want to give 7 instructions when you are practicing scales, so that the next lesson I will just be doing all the major scales, following the instructions, and then I know we are going to be blessed. Now the first instruction is per lesson do 1 scale per lesson. Practice 1 scale per lesson. Number 2, group scales with similar fingering, e.g. A, C, D, E and G have same fingering. Number 3, practice with 1 hand at a time and 2 octaves. Okay, so 1 octave you're going to do it on the left, and the other octave you're going to do it on the right. Okay, practice slowly and evenly, paying attention to correct fingering and voice produced. Slowly and evenly. So why am I saying slowly and evenly? If you are a beginner, you will find most of the time it's not that you want to do that, but you will find your hands, they want to move very fast. But it is up to you to ensure that you are calm and practice slowly and evenly. If I may demonstrate an example of F, so don't do you see, but just do slowly. Da, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, that's this. Nimeenda hivyo pole pole, but I usually go very fast. But you can just go like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, slowly and evenly. When I mean slowly, we have different, depending on how long you have been playing, you have the tempo at which you can say it is slow to you. But you can realize that if you are a true beginner, you cannot move the way I've moved. To you, it will be very fast. But to me, it's slow. Okay, pause on a note before crossing or switching over. So, if you are having a fingering like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, which actually we are doing it on the left side in this scale, you're doing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause and then come and switch correctly. Please learn to do things in the correct way at the first whenever you are doing your practice, because if you practice the wrong thing, my friend, it's going to disturb you and it's going to be hard to change. Breathe in to ensure you are relaxed, and speed will come with the time, and I will show you how to build speed. But for now, we are not doing speed, okay? We are not focused to build speed. We are just focused to know the notes, to play with the correct fingerings, okay? Be keen, aim to get clean and clear music. If you are pressing F, just press F. Don't press F, G. No. What you want is F. Press F. If you want to press G, press G. Don't do like this. Don't mix notes. Okay? So with that, we have come to the end of this lesson. So the next lesson, I'm going to do all the 12 major scale to demonstrate for you. But please, I want you to be doing one scale per lesson. But for me, I will do all the 12 scales in just one lesson. But for you, please, just to do one scale per day. Okay? And you'll be blessed. Thank you, and see you in the next class.